Let's talk about something that makes my blood boil, and I bet it gets to you too. Porch pirates. A recent survey found that 1 in 6 of us in the US has been a victim. It's no wonder people are looking for serious ways to secure their homes. So today, we're ditching the flimsy alarm signs and diving deep. We're breaking down the smartest, toughest, and most badass home security gadgets out there. We'll cover everything from clever concealment for your tools to full-blown fortress-level tech. Let's start with the foundation of responsible ownership, keeping your firearms secure but accessible.
First up, we have this wall shelf from Tactical Walls. Now look at this. Even the most paranoid thief isn't going to think twice about a decorative shelf. It just blends right in. Now let's get one thing straight right off the bat. This is not a safe. It has a lock, sure, but a determined person with enough time could get in. Its real power is in concealment, hiding in plain sight. Most home burglaries are smash and grabs. Criminals want to be in and out as fast as possible. They aren't going to be inspecting your decor. It's made of solid wood and comes in a bunch of finishes to match your style. The bottom drops down smoothly on a hydraulic arm. Inside, you get a block of customizable foam. You just trace your firearm, cut it out, and you have a perfect fit. Access is controlled by an RFID card. Just swipe the card over the secret spot, and it pops open. It's quick, quiet, and discreet. But like any defensive tool, practice your retrieval with an unloaded firearm until it becomes second nature.
But what if you need to store something bigger, like a home defense shotgun or a rifle? That's where Tactical Walls' full-length mirror comes in. In my opinion, this is the most nondescript option on the market. I mean, who suspects a mirror? It has a ton of space for a long gun, a few handguns, and other valuables. The mechanism is simple. Unlock the hidden magnetic lock, and the whole mirror slides to the side. Now, here's the reality check. Installation isn't for the faint of heart. You have to cut a pretty big hole in your wall between the studs. And just like the shelf, this is about concealment, not being a bank vault. But if you're comfortable with that, it's an incredible way to keep your tools ready, but completely out of sight.
All right, for our last concealment gadget, let's get high-tech. This is the IllumiSafe by Odon. It's a fully functional smart safe, hidden inside a beautiful smart lamp. This thing was built for gun owners who appreciate both technology and design. It's controlled through a secure smartphone app or a slick little RFID key. The body is built like a tank, with a carbon steel outer shell and aluminum innards. When you activate it, the inner safe casing rises up out of the lamp base. It's pure James Bond. The whole process takes about 3 seconds. The company says they're also working on a firearm-only model that will deploy in under a second. You can even customize it with different lamp bodies, from walnut and brass to stone and even mother of pearl. It's the perfect blend of style and security.
Okay, so your firearms are secure. But what about stopping an intruder before you ever have to get to them? Your typical alarm system makes a lot of noise, but it doesn't actually stop anyone. This, however, does. Meet the Protect anti-burglary system. In just a few seconds, this bad boy fires up a fog cannon that fills an entire room with a thick, disorienting white fog. We are talking zero visibility, folks. An intruder can't steal what they can't see. They won't even be able to see their own hands in front of their faces. And the best part? The fog is completely harmless to your pets, your electronics, and your furniture, and it hangs in the air for up to an hour. To really ruin a burglar's day, you can pair it with a 120 decibel siren and a high-speed strobe light. It's a full-on sensory assault that will send anyone running.
Now let's talk about personal-level defense. We all know a bright flashlight can disorient an attacker, but the Taser Strike Light takes that idea and cranks it to 11. It's a brilliant hybrid, a high-intensity flashlight combined with a stun gun. It's the kind of tool no attacker would ever see coming. The bright light can temporarily blind them, giving you a critical moment. If they keep coming, a quick jolt of 50,000 volts will put them on the ground, giving you time to escape. Even the sound of it is a deterrent. That loud, angry crackle is enough to make anyone think twice. Plus, it's built from incredibly sturdy materials. Let's be honest, in a pinch, you could absolutely use it as an impact tool. Because it just looks like a flashlight, it's the perfect, discreet self-defense tool.
Next up is something I like to call pepper spray on steroids. This is the Pepperball Blast. Forget trying to spray someone up close. This device lets you shoot a cloud of potent pava powder from a safe distance. It's incredibly light, weighing just an ounce and a half. A small 8-gram nitrogen cartridge gives you a powerful burst, launching the irritant powder up to 15 feet at nearly 270 feet per second. The one-handed operation is a game changer, leaving your other hand free to defend yourself or call for help. It's simple, effective, and gives you that crucial standoff distance. They even make a training version with harmless powder so you can practice safely. All right, let's step it up a notch. For those of you who appreciate serious hardware, check out the evolution of the less lethal shotgun, the Umarex T4E HDX. Just look at this thing. With its imposing design and that satisfying clack-clack sound when you charge it, it means business. It's got a rugged, full-metal receiver and a massive muzzle brake, bringing the weight to over 6.5 pounds for a really sturdy feel. It's covered in Picatinny rails, so you can mount any optic, light, or laser you want. The built-in tube magazine holds 16 rounds of 68 caliber projectiles. You can get a high-powered 40-joule version that runs on a big 88-gram CO2 capsule, or you can get the version that uses 2 standard 12-gram cartridges. Thanks to its quick piercing system, you can keep it in standby for months. When you need it, a firm smack on the back of the stock punctures the cartridges, and an indicator lets you know you're ready to fire. Now, if you want what is arguably the most powerful, less lethal gun in production, you're looking at the Grimberg FSC. This is built on a familiar carbine profile that any AR user will feel right at home with. But instead of a buffer tube, you have a 13 cubic inch, 3,000 psi carbon fiber HPA tank with a built-in pressure gauge. It's chambered for 68 caliber projectiles and can launch them accurately out to 150 feet with up to 32 joules of energy. That accuracy comes from a high-quality Karmatech Nemesis rifled barrel, which spins the projectile at over 10,000 RPM. The package comes loaded: a red dot optic, backup sights, Magpul M-lock rails, an adjustable foregrip, and 3 magazines. This is a top-tier piece of equipment. Okay, we've covered gadgets and tools, but the best defense is a home that's tough to get into in the first place. If the thought of a break-in keeps you up at night, take a look at these crim-safe doors. A burglar trying to kick this in is just going to hurt their foot. Hitting it with a baseball bat, you won't even make a dent. But they do more than just stop criminals. They keep bugs out while letting fresh air in. And for those living in storm-prone areas, they are robust enough to withstand hurricane-force winds. They are a serious upgrade over any standard door. And if you're reinforcing your doors, you have to do something about your windows. This is where Silatech's break-resistant glass comes in. And when I say break-resistant, I mean it. This stuff can withstand repeated full-force hits with a hammer, an axe, or even a sledgehammer for up to 10 minutes. For perspective, standard bulletproof glass gives up about 10 times faster. Trying to use a pry bar? Not going to happen. But what about firearms? No problem. Imagine shooting at this with an AK-47. The result? Virtually nothing. Nothing gets through this glass quickly, except for sunlight. And even that gets filtered, as it blocks harmful UV rays. This is how you build a fortress. All right, to finish things off, let's look at some gear that feels like it's straight out of science fiction. First, the real autonomous turret. Yes, you heard that right. This is a fully automated, AI-powered security solution. Using cutting-edge NVIDIA chips, it operates completely on its own. When it detects a person, its AI performs body pose estimation. If someone has their hands up in surrender, it holds its fire. But if it detects aggressive movements or a threatening posture, it springs into action. Don't worry, we're not talking lethal force here. You can load it with non-lethal ammo like paintball rounds or rubber bullets to neutralize a threat without causing serious injury. It's wild. Next, we have the world's first commercially available coil gun, the GR1 Anvil. This isn't science fiction anymore. It operates at low voltage and can achieve a blistering fire rate of up to 2,400 rounds per minute, launching projectiles at over 140 feet per second. It charges in under an hour and can fire up to 500 rounds on a single charge. For a price tag of around $1,600, you can own a piece of the future. And finally, for the ultimate in home security, we have this, the world's first zombie-proof home.
Designed by KWK Promise, this slate-colored fortress can literally close itself up into a seamless concrete box, completely sealed off from the outside world. When the coast is clear, massive concrete walls and shutters pivot open to let the light in. It even has a retractable drawbridge that can be raised to become part of the outer wall, or lowered to access the roof for a quick escape. All of this is controlled by electronic engines from the safety of the interior. If a zombie apocalypse ever does kick off, well, we know where we want to be.
So there you have it. From clever concealment and non-lethal tools all the way to a zombie-proof house. Building a home defense plan is all about layers, and as you can see, there are more options out there than ever before. Now I have to ask, which one of these gadgets would you trust to protect your home? Was there anything here you'd actually use? Drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear what you guys think. If you enjoyed this breakdown of some of the world's coolest security tech, do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.